Hello everybody. Today we will close look at Flipgrid. It's a useful website that we can use in distance education, especially in this pandemic era. Let's go to details. There are two types of login. We will talk from educator perspective. First thing you need to do is sign up from here. I have already an account, so I log in with my Google account right now. This is our homepage. In discussion part, we can see our grids, groups and topics. Creating a group is like creating a digital classroom. Let's click here and give our classroom a name. This code helps you and your students to reach your groups. You can change it so students could find your page easily. In this part, we'll decide how can students access to our classroom. This allows students to attend only with their school emails. If you choose this one, you need to upload your student's name, surname, and username as you can see. If you do it public, everyone can come and attend to your group. We don't want this. If you click on this, you allow your students to get emails when you want them to record videos. Here, I will personalize my group. These are given stickers, emojis, pictures, but I don't want to use it. I have already downloaded a picture. I will choose them. Now, group is ready. The other thing is to add topic to your group. When you enter your group, you see this button. It depends on your subject. For example, you want to make a discussion about flying cars, so you determine a subject like flying cars or transportation. Here, if you turn on this button, you allow your parents of your students to reach your group classroom. I don't want this. Here you decide how long videos take time. I think 3 minutes is enough for my topic. Students can respond each other by text, etc. You can decide this. You can add a link of, for example, a YouTube video or an essay, whatever you want your students to reach related to this topic. Here you can put a deadline to your assignment. For example, the students can record videos between only these dates. After this date, topic will be inactive. Finally, you decide how are you gonna give feedback to videos. Basic feedback contains numbers from 1 to 5, but here you can add more criteria to evaluate videos. Now we are done. Now we have a group here. Inside of that group, we have a topic here. When we click to topic, we can see the responses that students record, and we can give feedback to them. That's all. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. See you next week.